Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Epic Privacy Browser on your PC, the official and legal way. This browser is great for privacy and safety. Let's get started. Open your web browser, like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Search for Epic Privacy Browser official website. Click the official site link to open it. Link is in the description for your convenience. On the official page, find the download button. Click Download and scroll down. Find the setup. Installer X or Installer Zip. Wait for the setup file to finish downloading. Go to your Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded setup file. Click Install. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once finished, click Launch. Open Epic Privacy Browser from the Start menu or desktop shortcut. That's it! You've successfully downloaded and installed Epic Privacy Browser on your PC.